What's up, YouTube? Good morning. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to make a typical Amapiano type beat in flstudiomobile. Stay tuned and hope you're gonna take something. And thank you for sticking with me. I've been producing like 1.5 years now. I got so much experience and I'm starting to love FM mobile. And what I can say, man, like if you need beats or if you want to buy or download, I got a channel where you can go and find beats I upload now. I'll be uploading regularly all the beats that I make. You can find it on my other channel. I dropped the link on this. I dropped the link on description down below. Don't be shy to comment. Tell me what you think about this video. Yeah. First thing first, I started with this drum loop from 7th beats. I got it. This guy has been inspiring me from YouTube. Make sure you check his channel. 7th beats is the best. I got this drum loop and I started developing ideas. Then I added the kick and the next thing I added was this basic chord progressions. I used the Moonlight synthesizer, GM synthesizer, and I added this bass, rich sub bass type of feel, and after that I started getting some life, and I added this repetitive sine lead sound that keeps the beat going. And the next thing that I added was the auto duck to cut the volume and make it sound not too harsh. And after that I went to the flute. I added the flute to get the beat going, you know what I'm saying. And yeah, everything was going all right. Then after that I added these keys so that they can complement the synthesizer, Moonlight synthesizer, and that's it.